Good morning to everyone and welcome to another session. I will update you about the USD versus Canadian dollar. I will speak about silver market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the USD versus Canadian dollar first. Basically, we spoke about this hourly triangle breakout. The market held, basically, market established the higher lows yesterday, and upside targets reached basically all of them. 1.3700 was the 750 was the mark. That was like a final target on this upside swing. And since then, basically, market rejected and got supply so far in the last 12 hours or so. But from this perspective, let me remove all drawings for now. Market is in supply mode, but we'll wait because the 4-hour and 8-hour they didn't have any divergence as like daily or weekly. So it's potential that there is still potential that after the pullback, after finish the pullback, there is a potential another attempt to the upside. But so far, I don't see any kind of clue for that this supply has stopped or something. So we need to see that first, the demand to come into the market and then eventually start to build higher lows, and that can be a good sign for the further upside continuation. So correction so far in the play, and potential for the still another upside swing, but patience is needed in this example. We have some pivot levels important, 1.3635, 625. Market is testing the 2-hour middle Keltner line, so it might be in the future some bull flag on either 2-hour or 4-hour time frames. So pay attention for that and potential upswing to at least try to retest 1.37 and basically 1.3800 mark. For now, still supply present, but any kind of clue like a bull flag or ABC or breakout to the channeling mode, for example, if you can identify, for example, this kind of channeling mode. Any kind of the upside breakout, and if we start to build higher lows, this can be a good sign for the retest of the high. Speaking of the silver market is progressing very well since our previous update. It was basically breakout on rate of change 1 and confirmed the downswing. We had a 2 trend days down, and so far there is a rally early morning, but also there is a strong resistance around 1876. Market is now trading at 1870. Still, the price didn't test the major lows from beginning of September around 1795 or 1760 mark. So still potential for the downside movement. Although there is no any bigger indication of any reversal or any continuation at this stage. But watch if some supply will kick in. Watch for some bear flags, ABCs, because there is still a chance for the downside movement towards the important pivot levels. Speaking of the crude oil, we can find basically that, just remove this, that market had some divergence here on the 4-hour time frame. So market went, market made a lower low and also made a higher low. We can see here on the 4-hour time frame. So market is rallying this morning, but as I said, the weeklies and dailies are in a strong downside movement, and any kind of the rally or any kind of the bear flag or any kind of bear continuation pattern on higher frames can be a good sign for further drop, even towards the 67 mark, 68 mark. For now, I don't see anything at this stage, but watch for potential bear flag or completion of the ABC if you can find. And Bitcoin, there was a breakout that happened yesterday of a very well-defined trend line and very, very tight balance here. And we can see basically that market is trading almost up 5.3%. The actual breakout was early during the beginning of the Tokyo session around 19,260. It was also originally here at 19,000 mark. Also yesterday, but at this stage price is already marked up, and it's trading near the beginning of this trend line of 20,000 mark, 20,400 mark. So strong breakout, but at this stage it's already late because the market already had a breakout early in the morning, and now it's trying to build some kind of you can see the 15-minute is showing the big divergence in the 15-minute time frame here, so there is a chance for some rotation back or some correction, probably to correct at least towards 90,950 mark or 90,700 mark, maybe even something bigger. But for now, that's the situation. That'll be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you tomorrow morning.